Right, let's have a little look at magic squares. We're going to put the numbers 1 to 9 in this magic square, and the thing that's special about magic squares is that all the horizontals should add up to the same number, all the verticals should add up to the same number, and all the diagonals should add up to the same number. And they can take quite a lot of time because you're putting all these different numbers in and trying it and trying it and trying it. So what you want to do instead is you want to be able to try and put, there is an alternative method for making magic squares. It's like a quick cheat, and I'm going to show you this technique, okay? The first thing you have to do with a magic square is you put in a 1 in the top middle number. And then the little cheat is you go 1 step to the right and 1 step up. Now if we were to go 1 step to the right and 1 step up, we couldn't put a number here. So we go down to the number below and put it here. So the next number after 1 ends up being number 2, and it's 1 to the right and 1 step up, which we end up, because there's no square here, we do the 1 underneath. Now we use the same principle for number 2. We go 1 to the right, which would bring us, would have to go around to this one, and then 1 step up. So our number 3 would be here. 1 to the right and 1 step up. Ah, but there's already a number there. So what do we do if there already is a number there? We actually say, okay, we can't put a number there. Instead of going 1 to the right, we just go straight down. So if there's a number in the place that we're supposed to put 1, we just put the number down instead. And then we carry on in the same as before. 1 to the right and 1 up would give the 5 here. 1 to the right and 1 up would give the 6 here. 1 to the right would put us here. 1 up would put us there. There's already a number there, so the 7 has to go down underneath. 1 to the right would bring us here, and 1 up would mean that 8 would be there. And there's only one place for the 9 to be after that. Okay? Now let's have a little look. If we add up our sums, here we've got 4 plus 6 plus 5 giving us 15. So the diagonal here is giving us 15. What about the diagonal here? Well, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So the diagonal in this direction is also giving us 15. These sums here, 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 1. The horizontal here is giving us 15. 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 5 in the middle. The horizontal in the middle is giving us 15. 4 plus 2 is 6, 9 plus 6 is 15. So the horizontal at the bottom is also giving us 15. Let's double check then for our verticals. We have 8 plus 7 giving us a vertical of 15. We have 9 plus 1 plus 5 giving us a vertical here of 15. And we have 8 plus 7 giving us a vertical in the third column of 15 as well. So now we can see that we've made a magic square with a very quick and easy technique. This method only works for 3 by 3 squares, but it's very effective, and it means you start with number 1, top middle, and then you move 1 step to the right, 1 step up. If that space is taken, you move down a step instead and go directly underneath the number that you were just working with. Okay? So try that technique, try it out yourselves and see if you get magic squares to match up always in the correct order. Thank you.